What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a detailed review of Acer's Predator Orion 5000 gaming PC. It is the most high-end gaming PC from Acer, and in this video we are going to talk about its performance, hardware specs, design and all of its features and why you should buy this device. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with the hardware specs. Predator Orion 5000 comes with an overclockable 10th generation Intel Core i9 processor. We got NVIDIA RTX GeForce RTX3080 GPU, 64GB RAM, 1TB SSD and 2TB HDD storage. It also comes with AIO CPU liquid cooling, 2.5G killer Ethernet and Wi-Fi 6. As you can get the idea from the hardware specs, the performance is going to be very impressive on this device. So we performed various benchmarking tests on our Predator Orion 5000 and the result was very impressive. In 3D Mark, the Orion 5000 was able to achieve the score better than 99% of the tested device. In PC Mark, it successfully achieved scores better than 97% of all tested computers, and when it comes to VR Mark, it achieved thrice of the targeted FPS that is usually required for the VR headset and virtual reality purposes. So it does not matter whether you are going to play games on this device or use it for VR purpose or do video editing, etc., just the regular PC stuff, the performance is going to be top notch and brilliant. Talking about the gaming experience, while playing Shadow of the Tomb Raider on 4K resolution and the highest preset, the Orion 5000 achieved an average of 85 FPS, and when we played the game on Full HD resolution, it was able to get around 145 FPS on average. In Ghost Runner on 4K resolution, it successfully achieved 90 FPS while playing the Outriders. The average frame rate we got was 80 FPS on 4K resolution. In PlanetSide 2, the Orion 5000 achieved 155 FPS on average, and when it comes to Counter-Strike, the average frame rate was a whopping 355 FPS, and we are talking about 4K resolution for all of these games. So the gaming performance of Predator Orion 5000 is going to be amazing. Does not matter what kind of games you play and on what resolution, because in both 4K and Full HD resolution gaming, the performance of the Orion 5000 was very impressive. Talking about the design and build quality, the Predator Orion 5000 2021 is pretty much similar to the previous generations of Orion 5000. So it comes with the signature sharp edges, mesh elements and futuristic looking front side with the Predator logo all around the body. On the front side we got a static blue colored power button, two RGB light strips and metal strips resembling the Predator logo. We also got two RGB illuminated fans behind the translucent cover and a mesh designed cover behind which you will find some peripheral slots. Once you press the edge of the mesh cover, it opens and inside you will find an optical drive and a slot for the external HDD, so you can easily expand the storage of the device. It's very easy and effective method. On the top we got some ports that we can use for connectivity purpose, and this is a nice design idea because you don't need to go behind the device to connect a USB accessory, as the top ports are easily accessible. The top also comes with the same mesh design, and it can be used to keep your gadgets while they are connected with any of the USB ports on your Orion 5000. Both left and on right sides the headset cradles are provided, and once again this is a nice design idea because depending on the position of the PC, that which side is close to the wall, you can use either of these headset cradles to keep your headphones. The left side panel comes with a huge transparent area, once again with a mesh through which you can see the internal components of Orion 5000. And on the right side we just got a huge Predator logo and branding. The both side panels are EMI compliant, so the electromagnetic interference is very low on Orion 5000, and you can easily open the side panels to access the internal components of Orion 5000. If you want to make any changes, upgrades, it's very easy. The back of the Orion 5000 cabinet is quite basic and it's all business. We got plenty of slots and ports that you can use for connectivity purposes, and once again you can easily open to access the component from the back as well. At the bottom of the back of the cabinet, we got a tray that collects the dust and unwanted particles on it, and you can just take the tray out to clean it and put it back. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, the Orion 5000 is premium and gorgeous looking desktop PC. Talking about the connectivity, as we have seen that we got plenty of slots and ports. We got Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and it comes with 2.5G killer Ethernet that you can use via the killer control center to get the best internet speed on your home network. Just like any other Acer Predator desktop or laptop, the Orion 5000 also comes with the Predator Sense that you can use to perform various customization and improve the overall experience on the device. So using the Predator Sense, you can overclock the CPU to get the best performance out of it. You can also monitor the performance and status of the CPU and GPU and important parameters like the frequency, temperature, etc. You can also control the fan speed and select the fan speed profile based on your requirement. And if you go to the lighting section, this is where the fun begins. Here you can change the lighting of the two fans on the front side and the LED strips we got above the fans. There are many different presets provided that you can use to select the color scheme of your choice on your Orion 5000. And my favorite part is the lighting maker. In this section, the Predator Sense allows you to create your own lighting effect, combining it with music of your choice to create a very nice audio-visual effect on Orion 5000. I have already posted a short demo of lighting maker that you can watch by visiting the link given in the description below or by clicking the link appearing at the top of the screen. Orion 5000 also comes with DTS X Ultra that you can use to improve the audio experience when your Orion 5000 is connected with an external speaker or a headphone. It also comes with Intel Optane memory and storage management that you can use to optimize the storage and memory of Orion 5000 to improve the overall performance of the device. Another good thing is that it comes with Predator Sisters gaming mouse and a Predator Ethon gaming keyboard inside the box. So if you buy the Orion 5000 gaming PC, then all you need is a monitor to start using it straight away. The bundled keyboard and mouse provided are also of very nice quality. The gaming mouse comes with a sufficient amount of physical buttons that you can use to play most of the gaming titles available. You can also change the DPI sensitivity of the mouse based on your preference, and the palm and thumb rest provided is also nice and contributes in longer gaming session on your Orion 5000. Talking about the Predator Ethon gaming keyboard, it's good for the gaming as well as for your daily usage. It comes with few gaming related dedicated keys that you can use to perform various tasks while you are playing games. Both of these gaming mouse and the gaming keyboard come with RGB LED, and using the Predator Arc application, you can perform various customization. So you can change the lighting effect on both the keyboard and the mouse. Once again, we got plenty of options that you can use and select based on your preference for the lighting effect. And for the Predator Sisters gaming mouse, you also get the option to change the button assignment based on your preference. So overall, Acer Predator Orion 5000 is one of the best gaming PC that you can buy for yourself, especially considering the lack of GPUs in the market right now. As we have seen, the gaming performance is just super impressive and rest of the features are quite nice as well. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.